Hi guys, I'm back with our weekly collaboration series with Leila Foods, and I would like to wish all our viewers a very happy Ramadan Kareem. Today I am making Nan Khatai using Leila Foods Semolina. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The ingredients I need for Nan Khatai are all-purpose flour, asli ghee, fine sugar, crushed green cardamom, crushed pistachio and almonds, and semolina. The first step is to beat ghee and sugar until it's creamy and fluffy. Now you can see that the mixture is white and fluffy, and now I'm going to add the flour, semolina, and crushed green cardamoms, and now gently mix it in. This is the consistency we are looking for, and now I'm going to leave it in the fridge for 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes and I've taken the mixture out of the fridge. I'm going to use a scoop to make them all equal in size. The Nan Khatais are ready, and now I am making masala tea. So here I've got 2 cups of boiling water. I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon loose tea, 3 to 4 teaspoons sugar, and this is the masala I'm going to use. So that's crushed green cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon stick crushed. While the water is being boiled, I'm going to add in these spices. Next, I'm adding in sugar. Give it a good mix and let it boil. The water is boiled. Now I'm adding in the milk. Lastly, I'm going to add in tea. And leave it on slow flame.